This is apricot tree. All finished fruits. Inshallah next year again. This is for them here, our neighbor. Our house is over there. But some falling down here. But this is not good. And that is tree of plum also. Sorry, apricot. You see, as you can see, finish. And this one also, apricot tree. And this one. And this one. All finished. As you can see, no more. Inshallah next year again. And that is also tree of apricot. And also this one for us here. All finished. Also fruits. Yan. But too much also I dried fruits of these apricots. It's already dried. Last Eid, July, no, sorry, June 7. Yeah, June 7. There is Eid, so the time still too much fruits here, and also here. Ano ba ngayon? July or June? Nakalimutan ko na. This one also. Finish all fruits. Yan. Also this one, tree of apricot. These are all I dried apricots. As you can see, the trees of apricots is already finished the fruits. So this is too much. And these are all the seeds of which I broke. And this one you can eat also like this. Just you wash 2 to 3 times and then soak in water for just a few minutes. Then you can eat like this. And half of this one I have to cook. It's like cooking jam. But if you cook this one, just only put a little water and only water, and then just mix it, and no sugar. And then after this one, if I will cook, and I will form by circle, and you can make this one, what you call this, they call it here saki, and they make by chutney. So half of this one I have to cook, make as chutney, but half of this one is live like this. So if anyone Pakistani wife, if they want to order like this, then they can order. And then I have to give also free seeds of this apricot, so they can taste also this uh, seeds of apricots. Ayan, ayan ang dami. Ayan, tikman natin. Masarap. It's tasty also, this seeds. It's taste, it's like almonds. Ayan. On this one, if you will cook this biryani, you can put also 2 to 3 pieces like this. But before, you have to wash first before you put in biryani masala if you cook. biryani. This is good also. It's dry. If you put this one, then your biryani become more tasty. It's sour, sour. Mm. You can search and Google it, the price of dried apricots. As I searched in Google, the price of dried apricots in Pakistan typically range from 600 rupees to 3,500 per kilogram, but depends the type and quality of apricots. So for me, because this is local and village apricots, as you can see the which I dried, so like this. So the price is just only 600 rupees, or I can give you more discount of these apricots, dried apricots.